Taking the time to get all these teams running here. Qualification 24 is underway, and we have scores on both sides of the field as a result. Second up high for that Red Alliance, 2607, reloading, going for a third and pulling it off as Autonomous expires. 222, the Tigertrons, they're preloaded up as their drivers step up and score another level 4 algae for that, or coral, excuse me, for that Blue Alliance. Just off the mark for 2590, 222 going up for another score for that Blue Alliance. That's 5 more points, courtesy of that level 4 score. Roman Robotics coming to play defense against this heavily crusading Viking Alliance over here on the Red Alliance side of the field. 272, those Cyber Crusaders now have algae in hand. They look like they want to score it up in the barge, perhaps, situating themselves near that Red Alliance net. And now slipping onto the other side of the field. It looks like they're thinking co-op. They're going to go up for the other alliance to try to lower this threshold for the Coral ranking point. 2607 for red, level 3 score. Hive Mind just off the mark for level 1. A minute 20 remaining. This is only a 1-point difference. Now up to 7. 2607's human player scoring another algae up in the net. 272 going up high. 4 more points for that Red Alliance. 2495 aligning with a level 2 potentially here over on the Red Alliance side. Just off the mark, bouncing out of level 1. 272, another barge score. 2607, not quite finding the mark they wanted, but it does settle into level 1. 2590, fumbling the handoff from their ground intake, going for another attempt now over on that Blue Alliance side, trying to get the coral to sit just right. 222 looking to finish off that level 4. They only have a couple spots remaining. 1 successful score, extending or cutting into that Red Alliance lead in our final 33 seconds. It's a 9-point difference between these alliances. Algae bouncing across the field, 2607 going up high with 25 seconds remaining. No one in the barge zone yet for a climb. Nemesis trying for an up high score, not quite finding the mark with that, but now they extend out their deep climb mechanisms, trying to center that cage in our final 12 seconds. Fighting Robo Vikings trying to get up. Looks like all 3 Blue Alliance teams are thinking endgame with their 3 seconds left. We're going to see how many robots get up as time expires here in qualification 24. Our referees will give us an official tally in terms of all this endgame action. Alliance taking home match number 24, 149 to 119. That's 5 ranking points to the Red Alliance. Blue Alliance not empty-handed, earning the barge and Autonomous ranking points themselves.